Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing a makeup look which is perfect for people who wear glasses. So in fact I do wear glasses as well when I'm not wearing my contacts, and these are the few tips that I keep in mind that helps make my makeup stay in place. So let's begin with today's tutorial. Starting off the makeup with a primer, so especially concentrate on your T-zone, specifically on the nose area, because that's where your glasses would be sitting the whole day. Choose a lightweight base like a foundation or a BB cream that feels very skin-like and doesn't end up looking cakey or heavy, because wearing a heavier base while you're wearing glasses kind of gives an uncomfortable feeling, especially to me. So yeah, I'm wearing this Fit Me foundation and I'm very comfortable. I feel very comfortable when wearing this foundation. And I'm using a beauty blender to blend my foundation because it blends the makeup product, it blends your base quite seamlessly. Now moving on to concealer. So wearing glasses can cast a lot of shadow underneath your eyes, hence proper concealing over there is a must, and I prefer liquid concealer, so opt for something that gives you fine coverage but is less creamy or greasy. Also apply concealer on the top of your lids so that those veins or any pigmentation around the lid area is not visible. Again, I'm using a damp beauty blender to blend the product. I'll set my concealer with a loose powder today because I like to bake my face when I'm wearing glasses, because this helps to stay put the concealer for a longer period of time and it doesn't let the concealer crease as well. Now whatever product is left on the beauty blender, I like to set the rest of my face with that. If you want, you can use another setting powder or a compact powder as well. Moving on to eyebrows, I'll be using this black matte eyeshadow from my Makeup Revolution palette to set my eyebrows with it. So your eyebrows draw basically a lot of attention when you're wearing glasses, and your eyes and face frame look a lot more presentable when your eyebrows are full and filled. You don't have to overdo them, just fill the empty areas and you're going to be sorted. So using a tiny concealer brush, I'm brushing away all the excess loose powder. And setting the remaining powders underneath my eyes so that the concealer stays for a longer period of time. I'll be using this matte brown eyeshadow from my same Makeup Revolution palette and using this tiny smudge brush from Colorbar. I'm using the brown eyeshadow very close to my lash line, smudging it out and using it on my lower lash line as well. I feel using matte brown or any shade of brown eyeshadow on the eyes looks very soft, unlike the black ones. And to open up my eyes a little bit, I'm using a nude kajal. If you want, you can use a white kajal as well. Next, we jump to mascara. So do not skip on this product, guys. This is one product you shouldn't be underestimating because a mascara opens up your eyes. It makes them look wide open, which I think is really needed when you're wearing glasses, and you can see the comparison over here. Moving towards highlighter, I'm using the lighter shade from the Nykaa highlighting palette and applying some on the bridge of my nose, and I'll be using a little bit extra on the tip of my nose as well underneath my brow bone. I feel applying some highlighter when wearing glasses is very important because they just highlight the necessary areas and your face doesn't look blank. So yeah, just highlighting the usual regular areas where we highlight. Moving forward to lipstick, I think a soft pink lipstick is perfect for everyday wear, and of course you can wear a red lip or any other bold color that you like. I really wanted to make this look quite wearable and something which is perfect for everyday wear, doesn't require a lot of makeup products, looks very subtle, sophisticated at the same time. So anyways, let me know in the comment section how you guys liked this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.